I know how to make them interesting. Put a baby headband on your Sleeping Beauty's head. Take a picture on her phone. She'll be happy to see her new image on the pictures when she wakes up. Sweetie leaves her makeup scattered all over. Mickey sits down and gets hurt on something sharp from her makeup bag. He's going to prank her for that. Hot glue a little cactus into an empty lipstick container. Twist it down. Sweetie takes her lipstick. She's going to do her lip makeup, but instead of a sweet, bright lipstick, there's a prickly green cactus. Perhaps she's got a sharp tongue, but that's not a reason to use a cactus as lipstick. A bulb's burned out in the kitchen. Mickey, come and change it. He's going to fix it. Go away and stop bothering me. Give me the bulb. Sweetie's got a very special bulb. Take apart a burnt-out LED lamp. Remove the filling. Squeeze hot glue onto the bulb. Attach a raw egg. Mickey changes the burnt lamp with the egg one. Oops! The egg breaks right in his hand. He's very angry. He's an electrician, but not a cook. Mickey takes a book in his hands. He hasn't read it for a long time. It's time for a prank. Sweetie sneaks from his back and puts a bell into his hood. Mickey hears the bell ringing, but he can't understand where the sound is coming from. Hardly has he taken his book when a school bell appears to him. Is it an alarm clock? Is it invisible fairies chasing him? Finally, he finds the source of the sound. It's a bell in his hood. Watch out, sweetie! I've got a special delicacy for my boyfriend. It's a sandwich with a wonderful filling, transparent worms. We need cellophane noodles. Keep them in hot water for 5 minutes. Put the noodles into the sandwich. Mickey's always ready to have a snack. He bites a piece and sees the fake worms. Ugh! How old is this sandwich? Oh, it's just clear noodles. It's Sweetie's prank. This is a prank for a group selfie. Mickey smudges glue all over his palm. Happy Sweetie runs up to take a selfie. As a bonus for a picture, she's gotten a sticky arm. Ugh, ghastly! I'll have to take a shower. While Sweetie's washing off the glue from her arm, Mickey's taking care of her deodorant. Twist out an empty antiperspirant. Remove the base. Trace it on cardboard or thick paper. Cut it out. Make a hole in the center. Assemble the container and put in the paper base. Melt white colored chocolate in a double boiler. Put it into the container. Remove the streaks. Smooth the top and put on the cap. Refrigerate it. The cool chocolate looks like the real antiperspirant. Sweetie comes out of the shower. She's going to apply her deodorant, but a weird sweet taste makes her stop. Has this antiperspirant been made at a chocolate factory? Thank you, Mickey! While Sweetie's looking in the mirror, Mickey's preparing a new prank. He changes her micellar water. Pour pure water into an empty micellar bottle. Sweetie soaks a cotton pad, but instead of removing the makeup, she smudges it all over. She knows whose trick it is. It's this crafty red tail. Did you like the couple's pranks? Write in your comments which prank you liked the most. Be sure to subscribe, give your thumbs up, and click the bell so that you don't miss our new funny pranks.